Et voilà. Oh là là. Eh? Oh, on n'est pas trop contente là-bas. Oh, Kirsty is not happy. I've brought you a mail. We have 4 ladies. Kirsty is not liking this, eh? Oh! Oh! Whoopsie daisy. We are not very happy about this. Oh, I thought I was doing you a favour bringing you a playmate. There's a lot of noise going on. Only Christmas is being quiet. Kirsty and Cranberry are certainly fronting this. Oh dear. Oh dear. Whoopsie daisy. Whoopsie daisy, Kirsty, you nasty little thing. You... Stop it, stop it. Oh dear, dear, dear. This is not going well. Should I interfere in this matter? Now, Kirsty, back off. Kirsty! Kirsty, go on, back off. Ali, back off, Kirsty. Back off, back off. Back off, Kirsty. Come on. Come on. Thank you, Chris Matheson is coming in. Well, you're not listening to me, are you? Well, go on, Kirsty. Bouge. Go on, bouge. Bouge. Come on. Go on, get out of the way, Kirsty. Kirsty, move it. You're not listening, are you? I'm trying to help you. Now, go on, move, move. There. Right. Right. Oh dear. Kirsty! Kirsty, that is not nice. Kirsty! Kirsty! Stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop it, Kirsty, you're going to get hurt. He is not happy. No, no, stop that. Stop that. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Kirsty, you're being very difficult about this. Come on, Kirsty. Come on, he's not a threat. Come on, boo, move it. Go on, move it, move it. Look, Christmas isn't bothered about it. Now stop that, stop that. Stop threatening him. Come on, come on, move, move. Come on. Stop it, Kirsty. Oh dear. Now be nice. Stop it. Shh, shh, shh. Stop it. Up, stop that. Come on. Come on, Kirsty. Come here. Come on, Kirsty. Come on. Let him come in. Let him come in. Stop it, Kirsty. We're going to stop this. Stop this. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Come on. Come on, Kirsty. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. There. Now I'm going to get you some food. Now let's just stop this. This okay? Hey? Hey, voila. Come on. Come on. Be friends. Be friends. It's a 4-month-old male turkey hen. Up, 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 up. Kirsty, stop it. Shh, 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 shh. It's a baby chick. He's a baby. Oh, oh, look, you're going to hurt yourselves, eh? Stop it. Stop it. Stop it, Kirsty. Kirsty and Cranberry are absolutely... Oh, Stop this. Stop this. We've got a turkey fight in the OK Corral here. Oh, dear, dear, dear. Kirsty and Cranberry are certainly not happy about this situation. Anyway, I'm going to give you some food, eh? Kirsty. Stop it, Kirsty. 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 Shh. Come on, Cranberry. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. We're not happy turkeys, are we? Now I'm going to get some food. Oh dear, dear, dear. Kirsty's certainly going in for the kill. Oh dear, dear, dear. Oh dear, dear. Well, I don't know. I'm going to have to let them... Kirsty! 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 That's enough. That's enough. That's enough. There's no need to bite me as well. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. Ow! Stop it. Stop it, Kirsty. Stop it. 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 There we go. Come on, Kirsty. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. Stop it, or I'm going to put a barrier up. You're always the troublemaker. Look at that, you've nipped me. You nasty little creature. You're going to get blockaded in there if you don't stop it. Have you hurt his eye? Are you alright? Are you alright? It's alright. I'm going to blockade you. Get back there. Get back there. The blockade's in progress. Voila. Right. We're going to blockade you. We're not having this behaviour. Yeah? Right. You learnt to tolerate him a bit in here. Yeah? Now stop it. Right. Oh, you're a big boy. Yeah, well, you can... She's such a nasty